We are about to embark on one of the biggest transformations I think we've ever done. Outside of our primary bedroom, which was huge, this back porch is about to be transformed like no other back porch has ever been transformed before. I can't wait to show you. But in the meantime, there's a lot of prep work that has to happen, and we are going to power wash it. We took everything off the back porch. We've got to power wash it and prep it, and we're going to spray it with the help of our friends right here, this Wagner Control Pro 190. It's going to get the job done, and I can't wait. It's going to be huge. Our back porch is about 1,500 square feet when you include the ceiling, the rafters, the walls, the floor, and the spindles. It's always best to work with a clean surface, so we power washed all of the dirt and debris away from the surface, as that is really the best way for paint to stick and for longevity of the surface area. We first sprayed on a piece of cardboard to get the feel, and then I sprayed one wall to really see how awesome this paint sprayer worked. From there, Sean moved up to the ceiling and the rafters, getting all of those hard to reach areas that cannot be reached with a roller or a paintbrush. Then I went and sprayed all of the spindles. I made sure that I put plastic behind for the overspray, which was very minimal. Once I got into the groove, I really enjoyed spraying. It was easy. It's the best way to spray a porch for sure. And I sprayed the floor as well. I can't wait to show you the reveal, which is going to be in a couple of days.